think you can figure out what we're doing today. Bunker. You can see we've done that one, that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one, and then part of this one here. Today we're doing that one, that wall. Probably gonna have to move this pile here. Well, we got to get this pile of whatever it is out of the way so we can wash. So let's do that right now. I'm going to put the forks somewhere out of the way. Right over here. We gotta watch out for the mixers coming through, tractors coming through, all kinds of stuff. Just gotta work around everybody. So we'll blast ourselves a hole through here so we can at least get it.